What in the devil do we have here? We've got Radar, guys. This guy's 5.5 months of age. Really animated, happy to work, very enthusiastic young man. Black and tan, got a gorgeous coat on him, and just a wonderful disposition and great work ethic. Now, I'd like to point out this is one of his very first times ever working with Nick. He's been working primarily with myself, Wendy, and Daniel. So this is also a very authentic look to his character with a stranger. Mr. Radar's living in a puppy raiser home with horses, cats, goats, and chickens. Got all sorts of livestock around the farm. So he's pretty well exposed to all of that. Boy, Radar. Now, you may or may not have noticed, but the training center is under construction, getting ready for our 5th annual Haunted Halloween Agility course. So we've got a few things set up already, but for the most part, it's a bit disheveled here. What that really means, though, for the young dog in training, this disheveled look means a lot of these dogs would get distracted by all the new things, by the weird look. You can see Radar not 1 ounce distracted. Quite focused, in fact, looking wonderful. Good stuff, Radar. There's a little work session to Radar, guys. Again, 5.5 months of age, still pretty young. Happy with that, really happy with the overall development. Hope you guys enjoyed that as well. Radar and his inflatable zombie friends.